Hi friends, I hope you're having a great day. In today's video we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro with us, and I'll guide you through the steps to remove a Google account safely. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any updates. So let's dive right in.